Good afternoon, Jason Shepard here with the Anchor Room. Today we're going to make a brief installation video for the inside mirror markers for the 2009 through 2014 F150, as well as of course the 2010 through 2014 SVT Raptor. This is a very straightforward installation since it's a fairly small piece and it's going on a very flat surface. The application tools shown in front of you, we have application fluid, which is nothing more than soapy water. We may actually not even have to use it since it is such a straightforward installation. And then we have regular water here in case we do use it. That will be used to wash away any excess soap and to get the vinyl tint piece to stick. We also have a microfiber towel which will be used to dab up any excess liquid, and a yellow Superflex squeegee to make sure that we get all of the liquid out from behind the lens. Alright, let's get started. Just to get started, I want to show you the mirror here real quick. It will make your installation a little bit easier. Even though the pieces are really small, they're going to go on the other side. So to make our installation a little simpler, since they are collapsible mirrors, we're going to go ahead and force the mirror to the opposite end. The piece we're installing is right here, but this way we have direct access to that to make our lives a little bit easier. Alright, this is the piece where we're going to actually end up installing the vinyl tint piece. I've already cleaned it. I've now sprayed it down with just plain water. I'm going to do the exact same thing and spray down the actual piece itself with water. And at this point we're just lining up the top edge and one of the other edges to get this in place perfectly. It's very simple and straightforward. So we get it to that point, line it up to the other side. And as you notice, I did not use any application fluid, just the water itself. And even then it gives me some repositionability. But now I'm going to hold it in place and then just use the squeegee to move the liquid. It's slightly oversized to make sure that it completely covers everything. And that's pretty much the end of it. Of course, you want to repeat it on both sides, and when you're done, just pop the mirror back into place and we're all good to go. Thank you for your purchase and have a great day.